So let's test the new light bulb. And yes, it's working. So I removed that bulb using pliers after I pushed in the left and the right side, and then I grabbed it from one of those legs. So push in one side with your hand and pull the other one after you pushed it in. And now it came out. So only from those two you can grab it. There is not much space here to grab it from there. Plus you have to push in the two sides. So that's the old light bulb. It's like a mirror because of the evaporated wolfram. And that's the new light bulb. It's transparent. Okay, and to somehow remove that bulb easier, because just pushing it in is almost nothing, better file off these little things from the side, a small amount, not too much, because something has to hold it, and then you might be able to grab it from the wire maybe, because only from these it's very difficult. They have some lines there on the side, a little bit, but that's a very small amount to grab it from and pull it out. Now I file down that side and that a little bit, and when I insert it, now I should be able, theoretically, to also remove it. You have to wobble it left, right, grab it from the wire, not a good idea, but at least now it can be removed. So that's the front left position light.